Welcome to Release Planning Example. After watching this video, you will be able to explain the structure of a release plan and describe how a visual network diagram is created based on the release plan. Planning a release is critical to the success of any project because it ensures the product owner and team deliver the right features at the right time with the right quality. A clear release plan minimizes risks, aligns the team, and ensures that you prioritize tasks efficiently to meet deadlines. Let's walk through a two-step approach to plan a release effectively. The first step is to map out the plan, and the next step is to visualize it using a network diagram. Let's start with the first step, mapping out the plan. Here is an example of a structured release plan in a spreadsheet format. The plan is organized by sprints. Each sprint outlines the specific user stories to be implemented. We've prioritized the user stories based on their importance and dependencies. The dependency is specified in the last column. Foundational tasks, for example, user stories 1 and 2, are addressed first, while dependent tasks, user story 3 onwards, that depend on the completion of previous stories, follow in subsequent sprints. This structured approach ensures smooth progress and avoids bottlenecks. The second step is creating a visual network diagram. While the spreadsheet gives us the details, the diagram helps us see the bigger picture. It visualizes the flow of tasks, showing how user stories are interconnected. This makes identifying dependencies, critical paths, and potential bottlenecks easier. For example, our diagram shows how user stories 001 and 002 can be accomplished simultaneously. User story 003 is dependent on the completion of user stories 001 and 002. Sprint 2 features completion of user stories 004 and 005. You can see that user story 005 depends upon the completion of user story 004. The launch is completed when user stories 007, 006, and 008 are completed in Sprint 3. User stories 006 and 008 can be accomplished simultaneously, but not until user story 007 is completed. This clarity helps with resource planning and decision-making. By combining a detailed plan with a visual representation, you can ensure an organized, transparent, and efficient release process. In this video, you learned that a clear release plan minimizes risks, aligns the team, and ensures that the tasks are prioritized efficiently to meet deadlines. Planning a release has two steps. The first step is to map out the plan, which is organized by sprints. It lists the user stories to be implemented, their priority, and dependencies on other user stories. The second step is to create a network diagram visually showing the flow of tasks and identifying dependencies.